get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Take you there. Can I take you there?
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. Girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in so that you can get a peek of it real quick, and then we're going to talk about this palette. Don't mind right here in the corner. Y'all know my eyes are goofy, it's watering, so, and I just got tired of fixing it. So this is the real. But for aesthetic reasons, and now that you know that I'm having troubles with it, I'll go ahead and fix it. I can't promise you it will stay there. Generally, I don't have issues with these shadows. Stain, they have a fabulous staying power. All of the ABH shadows in my opinion, but for some reason today my eyes are just extra irritated, they're extra watery, and you know, it is what it is. They're probably irritated because I've done 3 looks on them today. Alright guys, so I want to talk about this gorgeous, 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 gorgeous palette. So, do I think it was worth the $60? First of all, yes. You do get a ton of product in here, and by all means, this has got to be my favorite one. I've now done 5 looks with this palette total, and I've also worn it on days in between filming these. I didn't do consecutive days of filming. And I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I think they did a fabulous job with this. The color story for me is everything. Purples are some of my favorite eyeshadow shades, and I think it's because I feel like it makes my brown eyes pop a little, you know. But what I will say, and I feel like after playing with this, and I've literally dug in every shade, whether I used them on camera or I used them on the days in between, I've literally played with every shade in this palette now. And there is something very, very different about this formula versus the other 2 that I have from this collection. I don't know what it is. I just feel like these weren't as difficult to blend. These weren't as difficult to put together a look. They weren't, I don't know. From the first one, I had a lot of problems with, and what it is that these are artistry palettes. So the formulas are much, much different than the average ABH shadows, as I said before. And so therefore they take a lot more blending. They're a lot more pigmented than her other shadows. Not to say that these are better than those. It really just depends on what you're looking for. These are also not as powdery as her 14 pan palettes, but they do still kick up some dust here and there. They're gorgeous though, you guys. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now, personally, I think this I like even more than Volume 4, which you guys know is my favorite. I believe I showed it to you guys in the beginning of this video. If not, we'll pop a picture here. And then I also have Volume 1. We'll pop a picture here. But yeah, I love this. I am really, really, really happy to have this in my collection. Honestly, guys, if you're looking to try one of her palettes and you're not like up there playing with makeup, you know what I mean? Like you don't have a ton of experience, I would say try this one out first. Either that or Volume 4. Volume 4 and 5 to me are more wearable, if you will. Volumes 1 through 3 are for people that are, you know, really experienced in color or they like to play with a lot of color. These are going to be your more wearable palettes, in my personal opinion. But yeah, especially for beginners that are interested in this, I think this is a great one to try out. It's really, really easy to use. And I don't know if they just like heard people from their other palettes and how, you know, difficult the formulas were, but these are fantastic. From the shimmers to the mattes being so easy to blend. Even this glitter here, you guys, it's so fine. Like the glitter particles, you don't feel glitter. Like you do not feel that in there. It's just so easy to wear. And I actually have it on my eyes in this look here. I don't feel this glitter on my eyelids at all. So really, really, really loving it. It's like you can finally get the look of glitter without feeling the glitter. So I highly recommend this. I can't say enough good things. This is a fantastic palette, and again, I'm just so happy to have it in my collection. It's gorgeous. So I want to know what you think. How did you like the eyeshadow looks? Are you interested in this palette? If you are, I'm telling you right now, sign up for the emails from ABH. They always have sales, you guys, and it's very easy to get these palettes and save some money. So definitely do that if you're interested. You know, why pay full price if you don't have to? I hope that you guys enjoyed my 5 looks 1 palette. I want to know what was your favorite look. Keep in mind when you're rating me, especially if you're new here, I'm not a makeup artist. I am just a small town girl that loves makeup through and through. So I want to thank you guys as always for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye guys.